it's going to be a great one. So I know you're listening very carefully. And at this time, I will invite our two MCs from Miss McGinnis' class. So welcome to Sabrina and Eric.
Hello everyone, welcome to this month's assembly. I'm Eric.
And I'm Sabrina. Do you guys know what this month's theme is?
Great, we prepared a ton of videos and performances for all of you.
Here's our schedule. K is song led by grade 3.
It's birthday.
Carry videos.
Build the World by grade 4C.
Taken to the audience by Mrs. Peters.
Speak English video.
Science fair recap.
Magic act.
Responsibility videos. And finally, awards.
Now let's invite grade 3 up to sing the KS song by clapping our hands.
Everyone, please sing